Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the AMD software installer cannot continue, the error 195. So because it is unable to access the required web resources. So the complete cause or the possible cause here, the AMD software installer was unable to access web resources required for installation from AMD servers. So this may be caused by your system antivirus, firewall settings, or the AMD servers are temporarily offline for maintenance. So the AMD servers temporary offline for maintenance. This is a rare case. Is a rare case here. But usually the case is because of your antivirus or firewall settings. So all you have to do, the solution, please make sure you're running the latest version of AMD Auto Detect and install tool or the AMD driver package, which can be found on here. So you can download driver here. Please select your graphic, for example Radeon RX 500 series, for example, and this one RX 5700 XT, submit. And this is the driver, the latest driver, Adrenaline edition number 24.7.1. You can download it. And also the second solution, you can check antivirus software and definition are up to date, then rerun AMD software installer. You may also consider disabling your antivirus until the installation of the AMD software complete. So you can go to the settings, go Windows security, you can click it, Windows threat and protection here, and try to I'm using Malwarebytes here. Try to deactivate the Malwarebytes here. So you can deactive real-time protection. And also the firewall, this is the third option here, the third solution. You can configure your system firewall setting to allow traffic with AMD servers while the AMD software installer running. So you can configure your AMD. Here we go. You can click on allow an app through firewall. You can add AMD in here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.